Hi guys. Today I will show you how to make mainstream slap house like Yves V. So we gonna make the remake of his track Alone Again. Let's go. Add the magic pad. Add 808 Reese Bass. Add another break bass pattern to make some difference in the breakdown. Add break lead. Add background lead. Add some background ARP FX. Add signature Medusa pluck. Add snaps. Make snaps wide and more note to spice up the sound in a more interesting way. Make an unusual ending to the breakdown to entice the listener. Add reverse FX. Add vocal from original track.
Looking back, I knew I was. I felt so lost.
It's time to create the awesome drop. Add drums. Add drop slap bass. Add drop brass stab with low pass filter. Add some high frequencies and sidechain to drop vocal. Add background RPO lead. Add triplet kick fill. Now you know what elements you can add to your new hits, so make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Let's hear the final result.
Looking back, I knew I was. I felt so lost. It is hard, but I'll be better now you're gone. I will dry my tears under the neon lights. business for a while.